A very good morning to one and all. Today we have come with letter W. This is capital W, this is small w. This is mama W, this is baby W. So what is the phonetic sound of letter W? W says wa. W says wa. W for walrus, W for water. W for, this is a walrus. It's a mammal. It feeds its young one and it lives in ocean. This is a walrus. And the W for water. See, these all water. W for walrus, W for water. They start with letter W. So what is a walrus? Walrus is a mammal. It feeds its young ones and it lives in an ocean. Lives in an ocean. Now what is the phonetic sound of letter W? W says wa. W says wa. W says wa. Walrus, water, wa. W says wa. W says wa. Okay, this is on page 6 and we have on Tinker Book 7. Tinker Book 7, page number 6, we have letter W. W says wa. W for water. W says wa. W for walrus. Now we come to page 7. Now we come to page 7. See, read aloud. W for wheel. W for wall. W for water. W for watch. W for well. W for window. Walk, wheel, walk, wall, walk, water, walk, watch, walk, well, window. See, wheel. All transport, all the buses, all the trucks, all the vehicles which run on the road, they have wheels. Even air transport, the aeroplanes, they have wheels. Wheels. W for wheel. W says walk. This is a wall. Wall. W for wall. You know this rhymes. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. And what is a wall made up of? Bricks. So this is a wall. W for water. See, this is a water. W for water. W for watch. W for watch. We wear watch on a hand, on a wrist. Wrist watch. This is a wrist watch. W for well. W for well. What do we get from the well? We get water from the well. W for well. That we have that poem, the Ding Dong Bell, Pussy in the Well. So where is the well? This is a well. And what is inside the well? There is water. We take out water from the well. Most of the villages and most of the houses, they have well. W for window. W for window. All rooms, all houses have window. So in the morning when the sun rises, we all have to open a window. So let the fresh air come in and go and let the sunlight come. So W for window. So W for wheel, W for wall, W for water, W for watch, W for well, W for window. So teach them all the pictures and the sound of the letters related to letter W. This is on page 7. Now we come to page 8. Now what's written here? Practice. Look at the pictures, take the ones whose name begin with the sound of letter W. Okay. So you can see there are how many pictures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's recognize the picture. Okay. Okay, now we come to page 8. What is written here? Mentor tip. Encourage the child to name all the pictures. So we have many pictures here. Let's recognize the picture. This is a picture of a dog. This is a picture of a walrus. This is a picture of a well. This is a picture of a window. And this is a picture of a plum. Okay. So now, what is mentioned here? Read the instructions. Look at the pictures. Tell your child to read all the pictures and look at the pictures. And they have to tick the ones whose name begin with the sound of letter W. So they have to put this sign. Now, which letter does this stand for? D for dog. No, you will not take. What is this? They will say walrus. So W for walrus. So they will tick. Either you can take a pencil or a color pencil and they do the ticking. W for well. W for well. W for window. And P for plum. So we have marked 3 pictures related to letter W. W for walrus. W for well and W for window. Okay, so this is on page 8. Now we come to page 9. Let's read the mentor tip. Encourage the child to identify the letters as big and small. Means which is capital letter and which one is a small letter. So read the instructions, practice, look at the pictures, color the watches. You have to color the watches. This is red color and this is blue color. Mama W, red color, and baby W, blue color. So this is Mama W, so you will color with red color. And this is baby W, you will color with blue color. And this is small letter W, you will color with blue color. And this is capital W, you will color with red color. So capital letter W will be colored in red and small letter W will be colored in blue. Okay. Okay, now we come to page 1010. What is written here? Practice. First we have to color the picture. Now tell your child to recognize this picture. They will say W for window. Now give them the color. Any color they will feel like their favorite color, whatever color they feel like, they will color the window. Now you teach them the formation of letter W, that's capital W or Mama W. This is slanting line. Don't move the hand. Again you go up. Again you come down. Again you go up. So there are 4 strokes, slanting strokes. First you come down, then go up, come down, again go up. So this is the formation of letter W. Trace the letter. So now this is the formation of letter W. So I take the pencil, I come down, again I go up, 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 up. Again I come down, 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 down. Again I go up, 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 up. So this is the formation of letter W. This is the correct formation of letter W. No changes will be made in capital letter W. So there are 4 W. You will do accordingly as shown. Now we come to page 1111. It's written here. You have to name the picture. Ask them what can you see in the picture. They will say I can see a picture of a wall. Now W for wall. What color wall? Now they want to color red color, orange color, whatever color they feel like, let them color. And now they have to trace this letter W. Now over here the formation of letter W is not the same. Okay. We have to make a small curve here at the bottom. So I have made the correction here. Please follow the video and do the work accordingly. So this is the formation. Make a round. How you used to write U. Again go up, come down, and then at the top make a small round. See? Again see, trace the letter. Take the pencil from the starting point over here only where the dotted is there. Come down, straight to come down, come down, come down, again go up. And then on the same line they will go round and go up and make a small round. So this is the formation of letter W. Please see carefully, follow the video and do the work in correct formation for small letter W. Follow the video and do the correction and for small letter W. Mama W is the correct formation, but baby W we need to change. So the correct formation has been shown. Do the work accordingly. So W for window and W for wall. They will color with their favorite color, whatever color it is. So page number 10 and page number 11, they will do accordingly as shown and trace the letter. So page number 6, phonetics and vocabulary. Page number 6 and 7, we have the phonetics, walrus and the water. W says war with all the pictures, with the vocabulary, with simple sentences. Then we come to page 8 and 9, where we have the pictures to be ticked, walrus, well and the window. And this is the Mama W and this is the baby W. Mama W, the capital W will be in red and baby W will be in blue. Okay, and then we come with the formation of the letter W, correct formation, trace the letter, and this is the small letter W. The small letter W is, there's a change, so follow the video and do the work accordingly. Till then, have a good day. Bye. God bless you all.